At the edge of dawn, the sky awakens. A kingdom ruled not by land, but by wings. From their stone thrones, the eagles watch, eyes tracing every movement across the valley below. With a single fold of its wings, silence turns to speed. A spear of gold slicing through air.
The strike lasts less than a heartbeat, power refined by millions of years of flight.
In stillness, they rest Fari, wings half open, drinking sunlight from the endless sky.
Each gust carries the memory of flight and echoes carved into stone and sky.
A mother leans forward, not with words, but with wings, teaching the sky to her young.
As the sun descends, a shadow rises current. The next ruler takes its place among the clouds.
Night claims the peaks, but their dominion remains time, etched forever in the silence above.
Far to the south, where mountains yield to sand, a new hunter greets the rising sun.
Upon the still air, the peregrine waits Valady, patient, precise.
Its gaze alone could pierce the sky. Every movement mapped before the dive begins.
Then, gravity bends to will Tahim. The fastest life on Earth falls like lightning through air.
Speed meets silence, a single strike ending the chase before sound can begin.
In the heat's shimmer, the victor lands pound, dust rising to greet its silent glory.
Every meal in the desert is earned treffant, every shadow a lesson in precision. As the sun falls, fire burns upon its wings, the desert crowns its hunter.
When the sky grows still again, even silence remembers their passing. From sand to water, the journey continues. New hunters rise beneath a brighter sun.
He waits, still as stone, until the glint of scales betrays the river's heart. A single plunge, a flash of talons barrel, mastery born of patience and perfect timing.
Dripping silver, he ascends again, carve, the river's gift held tight against the wind. As the day fades, calm returns. The cycle of flight begins anew beneath the dying light. Far beyond the savannah, where light fades to frost, silence becomes the voice of the hunt.
The snowy owl drifts close to the earth, a ghost woven from moonlight and breath. Its golden eyes cut through the darkness, reading the hidden heartbeats beneath the snow. Wings spread wide, yet no sound escapes Potfu. Silence itself becomes the weapon. Under pale light, the hunt ends quietly, Daufa. A meal born of patience and precision.
When stars rule the sky, the hunter rests ta'en, one heartbeat with the frozen world.
Beyond the tundra, another realm stirs. The forests, where night never truly sleeps.
The barn owl watches from shadows, a Feyre, a pale guardian between darkness and dawn.
Every rustle, every breath of grass is heard, the world speaking in whispers.
With a silent glide, it vanishes from sight, for the night's last breath becoming flight.
It hears before it sees, perfection drawn by sound, sealed by motion.
In a flash of white and silence, the hunt concludes Troend, life claimed without a cry.
Within the hollow, safety returns Doni. Wings fold, and hunger fades into warmth.
Tiny cries echo from the dark, the next generation learning the rhythm of survival.
As daylight rises, they vanish into stillness to February. The hunters surrender to the sun.
When night returns, they awaken born, the silent rulers of dusk's domain. Two shadows merge in air ogle, bond forged not by sound, but by shared instinct. Their movements unseen to us, yet to the forest, they are thunder without sound.
Moonlight traces their wings, every feather crafted to vanish into air.
Every sunrise recalls an old truth, that life above mirrors life below. The air fills again with movement, wings of day rising from the ashes of night. High above, the old kings stir again, drawn by instinct older than memory.
Morning winds gather once more tie, the sky preparing for its ancient dance. Across continents, hunters converge main, each flight a verse in the song of power. The falcon cuts across the eagle's path, famed, rivals bound by the same endless blue.
From shadowed trees, the owls observe prove, patient keepers of balance between night and day.
Below, herds move in harmony, and above, the eagles trace patterns of survival. In every chase, there is grace asserts, life's fragile beauty suspended in motion. They rise with the dying light, wings riding invisible rivers of air and flame. As the sun retreats, the owls rise again firming, silence flowing where sound once lived.
Now dusk belongs to none alone. Clouds gather, restless and alive. Ra'id, nature preparing.
Amid thunder and wind, the eagle endures point, strength measured not in conquest, but in flight. For a heartbeat, sky and feather share one light, Hora, power mirrored in creation itself. When calm returns, silence moves first, the night renewed by its quiet hunters.
Beneath the silver moon, all life stirs anew, guided by instincts older than time.
As darkness fades, dawn lifts the world once more, the eternal rhythm restored.
Every wingbeat tells the same story, Lurhyaland, that power and grace are one and the same.
From dawn to dusk, from silence to storm fee, the sky remains their eternal home.